What if I told you that one of the most feature-packed compact phones of the year isn't from Apple or Samsung, but from Vivo? Meet the Vivo X200 FE, a global rebranded version of the Vivo S30 Pro Mini that originally launched in China. With flagship-level specs in a smaller form factor, a powerful Dimensity 9300 Plus chip, a stunning 6.31-inch LTPO AMOLED display, and a 6,500 mAh battery, this phone dares to blend premium performance with portability. It even packs features you won't find on some flagships. And yes, we're talking about smart AI tools, powerful cameras, and seamless cross-platform features. And if the leaked starting price of £472, around $635, this could be one of the best value compact flagships of 2025. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Design-wise, this is the Vivo X200 FE, a sleek 6.3-inch device that confidently outshines the Oppo Find X8 in refinement. Compared to the Xiaomi 15, it's slightly smaller and slimmer, measuring 6.31 inches diagonally, with a thickness of just 7.99 millimeters and a lightweight build at 186 grams. The rear panel features a matte texture that feels smooth to the touch and resists fingerprints exceptionally well. The design is thoughtfully minimalist. Gone is the oversized Oreo or square-shaped camera module. Instead, Vivo opts for an elegant oval layout that takes up minimal space while still making a stylish statement. Adjacent to the camera is a ring flash, which does more than just illuminate photos. It doubles as a breathing light for incoming calls, messages, and app notifications. A soft, customizable glow that keeps you subtly informed without interruption. Plus, the flash supports adjustable color temperature, making it more versatile for photography. On the front, the black bezels are impressively narrow at just 1.32 millimeters, delivering a nearly edge-to-edge viewing experience. The curved metal mid-frame transitions smoothly into the glass, offering both comfort and visual appeal. The display is shielded by diamond shield glass, which, according to the company, enhances drop resistance when paired with the reinforced metal frame. To top it all off, the device is certified with IP68 and IP69 ratings, offering robust protection against dust and water, ready for everyday challenges and more. The Vivo X200 FE may be a mid-range device, but when it comes to its display, it rivals flagship-level quality. It features a compact 6.31-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The manual peak brightness reaches up to 580 nits, and it supports high-frequency 2160Hz PWM dimming. For those who want more control, you can unlock 4360Hz PWM dimming by enabling it through developer mode, though keep in mind this only activates under low brightness conditions. Specifically, it kicks in when 120Hz is turned on and screen brightness drops below approximately 20%, subtly affecting color rendering. Color tuning on the Vivo X200 FE leans towards the warmer side. In comparison, the Xiaomi 15 has a noticeably cooler tone, while the iPhone sits somewhere in the middle. The colors on the Vivo X200 FE are also slightly more vibrant, giving it a punchier look, whereas the Xiaomi 15 and iPhone offer more neutral, closely matched displays. When it comes to performance, the Vivo X200 FE packs the powerful Dimensity 9300 Plus processor, built on TSMC's third-generation 4nm process. It delivers a peak clock speed of 3.4 GHz and is paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage for fast, responsive multitasking and app loading. On Antutu, the device scores an impressive 1.85 million points. The Geekbench results show a single-core score of 2085 and a multi-core score of 7040, solid numbers for its class. For comparison, the Snapdragon referred to here as the Elite Edition, powering the Xiaomi 15, scores about 2.56 million on Antutu, with a single-core score of 2071 and multi-core reaching 8696. In everyday use, the Dimensity 9300 Plus is more than capable. During a 30-minute Genshin Impact session, the Vivo X200 FE maintained an average frame rate of 59 FPS. Even after 50 minutes of continuous gameplay with brightness maxed out, high graphics settings enabled, and performance modes set to balanced, the phone held up well. The highest recorded temperature was 42 degrees Celsius on both the front and back, and battery consumption stood at 21%. Impressive for a compact device. That said, there are two minor concerns. First, the thermal management is just average. In hotter outdoor conditions, especially when using the camera, the device tends to heat up noticeably. Second, while the phone supports 90-watt fast charging, real-world charging speeds using the original adapter and cable tend to stabilize around 30 watts. A more consistent higher wattage would certainly enhance the experience. The Vivo X200 FE features a versatile triple rear camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. It's complemented by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and both the main and telephoto lenses come equipped with optical image stabilization for sharper, steadier shots. The telephoto lens, shared with the standard Vivo X200, supports 3x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom. While image quality understandably falls short of flagship models like the X200 Ultra, one of the key advantages of this setup is its flexibility, offering a variety of shooting styles and creative modes. The X200 FE emphasizes fun and fresh experiences, combining solid hardware with seamless ecosystem integration to deliver a well-rounded, playful photography experience. When it comes to battery performance, the Vivo X200 FE is equipped with a robust 6500 mAh battery paired with 90-watt fast charging support. While it doesn't include wireless charging, it does offer a handy bypass charging feature during gaming sessions, helping reduce heat buildup and preserve battery health for longer playtime efficiency. On the software front, the Vivo X200 FE's compact 6.31-inch display makes gesture navigation feel intuitive and effortless. Actions like swiping down from the top to access the notification or control center are comfortably within thumb's reach, something that's far more challenging on larger devices like those with 6.78-inch screens, where one-handed use often feels unrealistic. Despite its already manageable size, the Vivo X200 FE also includes a thoughtfully designed one-handed mode. Unlike most implementations, Vivo's version allows you to freely resize and reposition the mini window, offering a personalized and practical experience. In contrast, Xiaomi's one-handed mode feels a bit too limited, lacking in flexibility or positioning, more of a stripped-down placeholder than a functional tool. The phone runs Origin OS 5 in China, but the global variant features Funtouch OS 15. One highlight here is its AI assistant, Blue Star Micro, which is surprisingly powerful and user-friendly. It opens in a small floating window that can be expanded at will, enabling multitasking, like browsing other apps while watching AI-generated content. Features include live subtitles, real-time speech-to-text, and support for multiple languages: Chinese, English, Japanese, and Korean. You can adjust font size, transparency, and even save recognized subtitles, making it ideal for productivity and accessibility. The AI summary tool also adds a practical touch for quick information retrieval. Another standout software feature is smart unlocking. The Vivo X200 FE works surprisingly well with Apple's ecosystem. It supports iPhone-style touch gestures, wireless file transfer similar to AirDrop, and offers a pop-up window for earbuds, showing connection status and battery levels. This makes it an ideal secondary device for users who rely on a large-screen iPhone as their primary phone, while still using their Apple earbuds across platforms with zero hassle. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.